Are you tired of mediocre reviews? Here's how to make your Airbnb shine. Step 1. Set up your listing professionally. Snap high-quality photos. Clean, bright, and inviting. Write a killer description highlighting your home's unique features. Research local listings for competitive pricing. Step 2. Automate guest communication. Use templates for quick responses, check-in instructions, house rules, local tips. Set up auto-confirmations and reminders to keep things smooth. Consider an app to manage it all seamlessly. Step 3. Keep your property well-maintained. Regular inspections keep everything in tip-top shape. Hire a reliable cleaning crew for a consistent sparkle. Schedule deep cleans and maintenance to avoid future hassles. Step 4. Provide exceptional guest experience. Leave a welcome note and small treats. Make your house manual clear and comprehensive. Wi-Fi, appliances, local attractions. Be available 24/7 for emergencies. Step 5. Manage reviews and improve continuously. Encourage guests to leave reviews with a friendly follow-up. Handle negative feedback professionally. Keep improving based on feedback to stay top-rated. Start your Airbnb journey today by following these steps. Thanks for watching, and drop any questions in the comments.